All right, guys, Honey Jefe here, part 3. The Balderas Apiary is July the 10th. It's Thursday, 2025. I just want to do a quick recap. These bees actually have been pretty gentle. So both of these were splits. They got promoted to a 10-frame hive. And I have been looking at them for a month or so, and they have not really expanded much past 4 or 5 frames. I was even concerned that this one here didn't have a queen, but they've expanded. Now there's bees in all the spaces between all the frames. I didn't pull them out. So we're fixing to hit a dearth. I'm not looking to harvest more honey or anything like that from these guys, but I did put 2 medium boxes that were honey supers of mine that I just harvested. So all the frames in there, they have wet comb or they have full frames of nectar, uncapped. I put a queen excluder in there. So my goal is to just give these guys a little bit more space, protect the comb that I have. Maybe these guys can go in the winter with a box full of honey. And I will have to take the extractors off, because they'll leave the queen down there and she'll freeze to death. So anyway, this guy here, the blank card, she has the shallow frames. There's a little bit of comb going on the frames, but that's about it. So they all look pretty nice. They're all pretty gentle. And these guys, the top super here, it's the same. As far as there's nothing but foundation, there's no comb. Bees are probably making a little bit up there, but I didn't go any deeper than that. I'll come back. I'm positive I will get to pull this one. Probably be able to pull this one. This one I'll just leave there. I'll just end up leaving that there, but it'll be sometime this weekend. Maybe, just depends on how I feel. But that's it. I need to come around here and mow. I need to treat for mites. And get these guys ready for the fall. That's it, guys. Hope y'all have a great one. This Honey Jefe. It's honey with a J. That's a Jeff with one F between 2 E's. As I walk away, I'll say that's Honey Boss. All the ducks and chickens over here. Turkeys. Pretty cool little farm right here. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my office.